Sienna. We've got melted there, but now it won't run. The two aren't really related until you look at the trailer wiring here that has been running for a long time on the CV axle. Such a long time that it actually wore right through the positive wire. That's directly to the battery, and it's been shorting out. You can see where it's worn there. It's been shorting out on the axle. So it's been grounding itself for however long. Not necessarily the fuel pump, but that wire too. Whoever put these trailer brakes in, the wire just kind of hanging here. The actual fuel pump actually shouldn't be that big of a job because you don't have to take the drive shaft off and you don't have to take the exhaust off. That's what it was saying in the manual to do. It's not a saddle tank, it's right here. So we should be able to get at that all right. But now that we've seen that wiring worn through like that, it may have shorted out the whole computer. It's sure feeling like a fuel pump, but if that's straight battery power getting grounded into the frame, who knows what that has actually done to the computer. And whoever put that wiring in didn't tie it to anything. And that's like crazy. All right.